am Dipankar Chaudhari. I secured rank 166 in the Civil Services Examination 2018 and I'll be probably allocated IPS, Indian Police Service. I want to begin my talk by telling you that how difficult this journey has been for me. I know many of you are from a technical background or maybe engineering background. I too come from an engineering background. I graduated from DCE, or now known as Delhi Technological University. And coming from such a background, studying humanities for the first time in my life was a very difficult experience. I graduated in 2015, like I said, and then initially after working for a few months in a private sector firm, I started my preparation. So 2016 January onwards to 2018 June, when I appeared for my prelims, these have been very trying months for me. I know a lot of you are going through the same situation. Success does not come easy, and many people must have told you that it is a matter of luck. Now believe me that while luck may play a role of 1 to 2%, it's 97-98% of your own hard work and your own sweat. Which is why I want to emphasize on this part that I have worked really hard, and I do believe that if you people work really hard, then you can achieve this feat. And like I said, coming from a technical background, humanities was very difficult for me. My optional subject was public administration, and especially concepts, very abstract concepts of public administration, I found it really very difficult. So I would want to say that if you find something difficult or trying, then seek help. There is no point keeping it to yourself. Books are always preferable to ready-made notes. That's my preparation tip number 1. If you can make your own self-made notes, then that would be very good. Secondly, I would want to emphasize that do read a lot of stuff. I know there are a lot of online material available, but not all of them are of a very high quality. So read basic books, whether you read NCERTs or whether you read any other book for that matter, but do read basic texts that will help you develop the base you need for clearing this examination. After on, you can look for online notes or something like that, but basic material, basic books, basic texts are very important. Most of you do read newspapers. Current affairs is vital. Especially for your optional paper, UPSC has gotten very dynamic with all the optional subjects. The paper 2 for most of the optional are less theory based and more current affairs oriented and very dynamic. So do read newspapers and Yojana for that. Lastly, I would want to tell you that there is a light at the end of this tunnel. I can understand how difficult and trying it has been for a lot of you people. It has been for me also, giving up my job, the security of monthly income. It was difficult initially, and although I've been very lucky that I got selected this time. Some of you might have to work even longer, but it is worth the effort, is worth the results. So best of luck to all of you, and I would like to give a big shout out to the Chanakya Mandal Parivar. I gave my mock interviews here, and that sort of boosted my confidence to such a extent, to such a degree, that it helped me a lot in my actual interview examination. So best of luck to everyone who is watching this, and a big shout out to the Chanakya Mandal Parivar. Thank you very much.